Hello, friend. This is SK Tariqul Islam, and I'm here today in front of you with a new topic, with a new energy, and I'm going to share with you all the things which I have learned so far. And I decided myself to develop this blog. Also, I'm going to make a blog, and the name of my blog is zeroreviewmaster.com. If you just type in your browser the Zero Review Master, you are going to find my blog. And I decided, that is what I have learned so far from my early stage. I started forgetting everything, so I need to practice all those things. So why not to make your own blog as well as on blog? And the intentions of developing these two platforms to share the knowledge so that I can help you out. In my blog, I will be sharing with you on best deals on Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart, eBay, and other e-commerce platforms. Also, some software technology or any other things having some best deals, coupons, so that or the techniques to search all those things which we are in need of in our daily life. So here I'm going to show you the best deals, and after that you will be finding the freebies. And freebies means so that you can get something free. I have some software, so there is some process to use some software freely. So I will be sharing this knowledge over here. And after that, some digital commerce platforms which I have kept, and under these digital commerce platform, I will review the website, plugins, add-ons, apps, and also the blogging techniques, YouTubing. So what I will do, what I will learn every day, what I have learned so far, all those I'm going to share in this YouTube channel. Also, I will write those contents into my blog. So if you want, you can get these things in my YouTube channel. Also, you can get in details in writings in my blog. So please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, and where I'm going to share with my 10 years of experience. I have started this freelancing career back in 2007. Just after completing my school, I entered into university, and just doing this freelancing, I have actually covered or paid my university fees and all the livings too. And here I have also kept some other things like attorney, insurance. So actually we have researched that there are lots of things, lots of issues regarding laws, attorneys, some car accident insurance issues we regular face. So how we can get the best attorney in a particular area, how, what insurance we should take, and before taking the insurance, what type of measures we should follow, what should we look into very carefully. Otherwise, in long run, we are not going to get the best deals, or if we are in trouble, we are not going to get help properly. So keeping all those things in view, I have decided to develop this website, this blog, and also this YouTube channel, so that I can share my ideas and views, and I can share everything on hand, on screen sharing. This will help you to understand everything better, because every time we really cannot understand while we read blogs, but also every time we also cannot understand while I am talking. So combining this blog and blog, we will work together to get this thing done. And here we will be sharing lots of tools, lots of techniques, tips, trips, so that we both can be benefited. So I will request you to hit my channel here, to subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon, so that whenever I give any updates where you often or regularly can check it out. And if you have any queries, any questions, please comment below. And if you have liked this content, please thumbs up. Your inspirations, your motivations, your criticisms even will help me out to get the best thing. And nothing more today. This was an introductory video, and I hope that in long run I will keep on doing, at least I will keep on uploading one content every day, and 5 content in a week. And this journey is going to be a long journey. Pray for me, and also stay with me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.